Wait, before you scroll, this might sound fake. This singer just landed a $3 million record deal. But there is a catch. She is not human, and another AI singer just hit #1 on the Billboard Country Digital Song Sales chart. Okay, here is the crazy part. I have been studying 2 case studies, Xania Monet and Breaking Rust. Both are completely AI-generated music artists, yet they are pulling real listeners across the US. And neither of them actually exists. Their identity, voice, and entire persona were created with artificial intelligence. The creator behind Xania Monet actually mentioned that she doesn't sing in real life or play any instruments.
She doesn't exist. Why did you want to come and reveal yourself in this way?
I wanted to reveal myself because I wanted people to know there was a real person behind Xania.
But she was smart enough to use AI to build the music from scratch. That opens up a massive opportunity for someone like you or me to create our own AI singer and produce music that an audience actually wants to hear. Now check out this Faceless YouTube channel. With more than 68,000 subscribers and videos over an hour long, they have built a dedicated audience and even have a paid community. Their videos show a well-known girl playing electronic music as a DJ, and their income is estimated at around $1,800 just from ad revenue. But that is not the only one. This other channel is estimated to earn around $4,000 a month. And what about Lofi Girl? She is one of the most famous creators in the world. Her music brings peace and helps you focus while you study, using nothing but a looping animation of a girl and her cat. Just like these channels, there are dozens more publishing AI-generated music to build passive income on YouTube with AdSense. But here is the problem. The moment most people try to do this themselves, they hit a wall. Creating music usually means learning how to prompt, and with so many tools out there, it is overwhelming to pick the right one. That is exactly why most people never start. But recently, I found a tool that completely removes that barrier. It is called MusicGPT. Yeah, it is basically the ChatGPT of music, and it is incredibly easy to use. I have left the link in the description so you can try it out for yourself. When you log in, you will see the menu on the left and a bunch of playlists to explore. I personally recommend checking out the top 100 because it features the trending music created by the community. If you click on a song, the player opens up, and you can see comments, the specific prompt used to generate the track, and even the lyrics. As you explore, you will find all kinds of genres to inspire your own tracks. But the place where we are really going to work is in the Create menu. When you click there, you will see the prompt box where the magic happens. But before we go further, I want you to keep this in mind. The AI singers we looked at earlier are successful not just because of their look, but because of the quality of the music and the vocals. And that is exactly what we are going to build inside MusicGPT. Here, you can choose your song title and control exactly how closely the AI follows your prompts and lyrics. You can even upload reference tracks to create covers. Whether it is an MP3 file, a recording of your own voice, a YouTube link, or your own original songs. Let's try creating a cover of a popular Taylor Swift song that I am sure you have heard before. All we do is copy the video link and paste it into the prompt box. Then, I click the remix option and look at this. No complications at all. I just gave it a simple prompt to create a cover song. Honestly, being able to make AI music covers is my favorite feature. Just listen to this result.
Bad, bad boy, shiny toy with the price. You know that I bought it. Can you be slow out the window? I'm always waiting for you to be waiting below.
Now, I am going to recreate the style of that channel I showed you earlier, the one with the 1-hour music videos. Imagine being able to create songs with simple prompts, group them together, add an animation, and finish a video over an hour long to upload to YouTube. That is a workflow you can easily follow by just spending a few minutes a day. For every prompt, MusicGPT gives me 2 results to choose from, which makes it even faster. Check out this prompt. Anyone can write this, and even if you used the exact same words, you would get a different result. Listen to this. Next, I am going to recreate the musical style of Xania Monet, which is R&B. It is super simple. I just asked for a 90s R&B version, and in less than 1 minute, I have 2 options ready to go.
9 to 5, but my mind's not there. You are by, and I feel that stare. Paper stack
But let's say you want to create a more personalized song. You can do that too. I wrote a simple prompt for a pop song, and with the lyrics option enabled, I clicked the generate button. It asked me for a topic, so I told it to write a song about an office romance. And just like that, without needing any other tools, it generated the lyrics without charging me extra credits. You can customize the words or even delete them and add your own if you are feeling inspired. The result speaks for itself. Listen. MusicGPT is more than just a music creator. It also lets you create sound effects, do text-to-speech, and even extend the songs you have already generated. If you want to test it out, you can start with 500 free credits. If you decide to upgrade, they have monthly prices, and there is an exclusive discount if you go with the annual plan. Honestly, this tool is worth it because of how powerful and user-friendly it is. And just so you know, here is how I generated my AI girl. I used Nano Banana Pro, added a prompt and a reference image of my dream girl, then used Kling 3.0 to animate her. I did the same thing for my Lofi channel girl, except I used a start and end frame to create a subtle looping animation. I have put all those prompts in the Google Doc in the description so you can try them yourself. I want to give a special thanks to MusicGPT for making this video possible and to you for watching until the end. Just a quick heads up, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Like any real business, this takes actual work, consistency, and a solid strategy. Also, a big shout out to the creators featured in this video because they are proof that it is possible to monetize even if you are faceless on social media. And of course, remember that the earnings mentioned are just estimates. Results always vary. For those of you who stayed until the very end, I want to show you a few important details. All the songs you make in MusicGPT can be downloaded without any fear of copyright issues. They are royalty-free. Plus, you can use them for both personal and commercial projects. But if you want to increase your chances of going viral, you need to distribute your music to different platforms. That is where DistroKid comes in. It is the platform that almost every independent creator uses to get their music onto all the major streaming services. You just create an account and pick a plan. When you upload your song, you will need a cover and some metadata like the artist name, song title, genre, and release date. They actually offer services to help you generate all of that. Finally, you select the platforms where you want your music to appear. How do you make money? Every time someone streams your song, Spotify and Apple Music pay you a royalty, which you can then withdraw via PayPal or a bank transfer. I have left all the links from my research in the description to make it easy for you to check the requirements for each platform. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel, hit that hype button, leave a like, and share the video. And let me know in the comments, what is your favorite genre of music? I will see you in the next one. Peace out.